but even for this crowd, it is a special occasion, a match involving one of the elite lot in the global game. Have appointed this master tactician. What's your expectation? There's the whistle, and here we go. Well, very few players come to mind ahead of a certain Graham Souness when we use the term midfield general.
Yeah, it applies to him because he's as strong a character as it comes, Peter. He is untouchable in terms of self-belief and fears absolutely nothing.
And alongside all of that, he is wonderfully stylish, isn't he?
Yes, the tough guy image is used mostly to describe him, Peter, yet he has all the assurance and composure that's needed on the ball. The complete midfielder.
And the break is on. Hoofs it forward. And it's a goal! As sweet as you like! That's glorious! Oh, that was an... Bruno Guimaraes. Oh, great chance! Into the arms of the goalkeeper. Worth a try, but not this time.
Well, he knows more than anyone what a great chance from close range, and that header really should have been in the net.
First quarter of an hour gone. Oh, looking at that, the defence was beaten. Plays it in. That's inches away from being a really good ball. And it's kept out by a stubborn defence. Not a good throw at all, really. He's given away possession cheaply, and that's caused a worry or two. "30 minutes gone. He's through. Really dangerous moment there. Can't afford many of those. Holland! Wonderful! 2-0, and they're already threatening to run. Bruno Guimaraes. Timely intervention. Chance is broken down, and now they're faced with a counter-attack. Oh, top draw save from the keeper. And he's escaped his man. Drives it in. He's on a charge, but he's on his own for now. and it's a corner kick. Played into the middle. Attempts to play it through. Sticks it away! They've done it again! It is incredible! Oh, that was perhaps the final meaningful act of the first half. Intercepts the throw. That's well read. Bruno Guimaraes brings the ball forward. And we are up to the break.
Well, I think both sides have really shown their intentions, looking to...
So we're already into the second period. Finished the first half strongly, as so often they do. Bruno Guimaraes. He's left his man. Has been caught there, it's foul. Bruno Guimaraes. Great chance. Comes up with what could have been a great finish. Now surely. And he's there to make a great save. Plays it out to the wing. No, he gets himself in the way. Flings in across. And he's escaped his man. Shoots! Back of the net! And what a climax we have here! Well, the minute that left... Bruno Guimaraes. And Another dangerous moment, vulnerable to another counter-attack. Bruno Guimaraes, just a quarter of an hour to play. Bruno Guimaraes. Haaland. He's not played the ball, that's a foul. Oh, that's a foul. And it's got... Cuts it out. Here's the through ball. Knocks one in. Plenty waiting in the middle. Just have to run down the clock. Shooting chance! He got decent bend on that one. Aims it to the far post. Here we go, on target.
Well, he eluded any potential markers with a nicely timed run and header, and he very nearly made it count.
The whistle has gone, and it is
A comprehensive win in anyone's books, and much of the in the opposite area.
Yeah, we all know they're a big team and they have a big reputation. I thought they lived up to their name today. That was a very